Oh boy, guys, look at this. We are having a snowstorm. La, and it's a little cold. Oh no, look, it's pouring. It is going. Look at this. It just started to come down, guys. And it's going really strong, windy, snowy day. Look, see, and woo, woo, and it's blowing hard. All right, look at that. It's cold. I better get back inside. Just a little update. It's March 30th. Yeah. Later, all have a great afternoon, morning, day, and night, wherever you are in this world. Bye bye.